Howdy everyone. How are you guys doing? How you doing? Anyways, so I had some vacuums dropped off around 2 days ago. And I have not been home. My favorite Habitat for Humanity worker dropped them off. Hi kitty. Anyways, so I had them dropped off. And there's two carburetors and a vacuum. I don't know which ones they are really. Okay, so we got a sharp rotator. Got one of these. Ooh, here's one attachments. Hoover Steamvac, $10 is priced at. So this one must have been purchased at the Habitat. Because the person that gave me it used to work at Habitat for Humanity. And I wonder if all of these are purchased there. So we got a whole bunch of attachments. That'd be weird, I'm carrying the attachments for the vacuum. But that's just me. Hi, Bella. Okay, it's missing the hose, which is fine. That was a cordlet. Alright. There's a cat. Shark focus lines. Hi, Bella. How you doing? You gonna go inside? And I'll grab this and then the shirt. Oh wow, the shirt is actually the older model. I'll show you what I mean in here just a second. There she goes. She doesn't like batteries. I believe she said that the Hoover, the newer one, the hose came off or something, so it's not working. And then the shark works, she said. Especially when the stupid this was her. Wow. This one I'm definitely gonna keep. I sold my whole entire Rotator collection. I think that's what been perfect. I only have 2 rotators left out of 12. Which was is it? Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna run it in the garage. Because the garage is a mess and I don't want anyone to see it right now. I got that Hoover too. I burnt the belt off of it. Alright, let's run the carb cleaners. Because she said that the hose came off of this one. Or like a hose stopped working or something. Okay, for one thing, it's missing something pretty vital. That's kind of sketchy. But I don't think it'll do anything. Let's see. Well, one thing's for sure, the nozzle is not lined up, but I'm still gonna sell this thing no matter what. Even if the motor sounds like garbage. Cool. Oh. There's something fucking fun. Did I? Yeah, I did. Oh well. It'll live. Okay. So the motor obviously sounds like complete trash. Well, that's obvious. One thing's for sure, this is not lined up. Screen down there's clean. So maybe that's why, because she said something was not lined up. Her hose came off or something. She doesn't know anything about it. I did not mean to turn it on. For some reason, it doesn't really want to line up. Hang on, let's take this now. This is what making me wonder if the Steamvac is gonna sound this crappy. Is that broken? For some reason, this is not lining up at all. Right where it's supposed to be. I don't know. Looks like it's supposed to slide down in here somewhere. Doesn't look like any of this shit is aligned. Because this is all like pushed down. Look at this thing. That's the second time I accidentally turned it on. This thing is loud. Oh. Well, for some reason, this whole thing is out of alignment. I don't know why. It's like it's somehow not screwed in or something. Okay, for one thing, that cord is undone. It appears that the screws are missing. And the brushes don't spin. So this thing is probably trash. And that's unfortunate because this one I did it work the most out of all of these. And the motor is shot, and I'm not gonna deal with this. So, it's falling apart. It's just garbage. I'm gonna look at the shark. I'm not gonna try it out. So, this is the older model. Normally they have a little clip up here, but this one's on the side. It actually looks decent. This is a very weird design. And definitely a good thing to try to switch it. Fuck off me. What the fuck is that thing? It's like a moth. This is scary. I don't know what the hell these things are. Oh, okay, so that must go like that. So on. Okay. Came with everything besides the dusting brush, the main one. Hey, this thing actually might be fine. I believe this one was her personal one. Okay, this is right. Let's drop this Hoover next. That's a little bit dirty. Actually, that's really dirty. Well, the brushless will spin way better. This one I'm selling tomorrow already. I don't like these. I have a vote for it though, I think. Immediately I'm winding myself correctly. It's not Hoover, like she said, it should have been used for parts. I have no way of knowing if this thing's turned on or not. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Let's see. God damn it. Let's try this in my garage because I'm trying to wake up everyone. That Hoover out there smells like fucking metallic. It's gross. So, I could at least sell one of these, which is okay. I'm gonna sell that rotator just to make some money. I need money badly, guys. I'm just putting that much in. Doesn't matter to me. It's just enough to see if it sucks water, spits it out, blows up. These things are very loud, and it's really hurting my ears. So, very junk. carpet's actually really dry. Wow, actually. That's like the driest I've ever had a Steamvac carpet being. It was sucking really good. This is the best performing Steamvac I've ever seen. Fuck. This thing's way older than me. That's a shop motor, and that fucking thing still works better than this piece of shit. How do you release this? I'm very used to it. Right here. Lots of fun. Gross. It's basically brand new though. I always rinse these out. At least I try to, because if you leave the water or even just dump out the water, it develops an odor. It's not a pleasant one. But my garage carpet is pretty clean, so it didn't really affect it. But always, please dump out your carpet cleaner water. It just is much better for the carpet cleaner, and it's just, you know, it'll save you the gagging of your next use, to say the least. And I had that backwards. And always remove this tank whenever you have water stored in it, because it'll leak. Now I'm starting to feel after this. Let's wind up the cord. Got a creepy man outside. I have a neighbor that's a pedophile. So, yeah, it's not bad. I definitely seen worse, and guys, these are all free, so, you know, I can't complain. And they were delivered to me. So, like, I don't care. I'm kind of bummed out that the Hoover doesn't work properly. But that's okay. I can live with it. You know, you're winning, you lose. Sometimes you lose. That Hoover, how clean is nothing coming in the garage? There's charcoal coming upstairs, so I might just put that back in the bin. I'm not using any parts of that because that tank is disgusting. I'm assuming this one will run fine. What's the date in the cord? Wow. 2012. What is there? Fucking ants coming on this thing? Huh? Okay. Wow. There must be something in the cyclone shaking. The cyclone because there's shit. Yeah. Actually smells pretty good. Yeah. That's what I was expecting. You still insert a camper vacuum like that. I always love these sharks. So I'm gonna replace my other shark rotator with this. I'm just gonna sell them both, honestly. It's cool like that. Anyways, so both of my red rotators have the attachments and stuff now.